So these are some tips from a trans masc person on dressing for cycling for affordability, comfort, safety, and style. As someone who cycles every day, I don't actually own a great deal of cycle-specific clothing, like clothing made just for cycling, and that's because most clothing that's made for cycling, that's sold by cycling brands, is pricey. It requires a great deal of maintenance to keep it in good shape. Also, I'm running to my workshop, I'm going to be sitting around in my office, I'm going to be going to the supermarket. I don't want to be doing that in Lycra. First off, underwear, won't talk very much about this because it's a bit boring. Small sports bra with squish, but still able to be machine washable. And unlike a binder, I can still breathe. And some shorts, not baggy boxer shorts, but a tight short fit so that there's not lots of moving going around under your trews. Next, I can't stress enough the importance of layers. Like, if you're sweaty, you can always take off an underlayer that's gotten all sweaty. Sorry, it's gross. If it's raining, the outer layer of your clothes gets wet, you can take that off and you're still dry, so layers. And for me, it's the simple cotton t-shirt. It does get a bit hot and sweaty, unlike performance fabrics, but you can just carry another, and when you want to change, you just change. The trousers, I like a chino because it's still kind of cool looking, and a stretch fabric. That way you can get on and off the bike, and they are a bit more quick drying. This is like a cotton elastic blend, and I tend to go for a tighter fit, once again, so you don't have fabric moving around while you're cycling, and also because in the winter, sometimes I have to put on over trousers if it's really raining, and it's easier to get over trousers over tight trousers. Next, we've got this sweater, which I am obsessed with. It's an acrylic sweater, so it's warm, but not too warm, and quick drying. Shoes. A lot of cycling specific shoes are completely bugly, or regular shoes have laces which can get caught in the chain. If you are wearing regular shoes and you're going to cycle with them, always tuck your laces in. For riding, I love these. They're Vans. I got them on eBay secondhand. They are waterproof, and they have this Vans sole, which is really grippy, so there's no foot slipping off the pedal. I replaced the laces with these silicone laces I got on eBay. I love them, and they also add a little pop of color. One of these, I think they're called Snoods. They're invaluable. I got this one at Tesco. Waterproof jacket. Now this is not a cycling specific waterproof jacket. However, there's a lot of things that make it really great for cycling. It is just like a thin shell. It's not lined or anything, so it doesn't get super hot. As you can see, it's not high vis, but you're not gonna miss me wearing this. A nice baggy fit, so if it's cold out, I can put more layers under it. And it all zips up into one of these pockets when I don't need to wear it. This is the only cycle-specific item of clothing I'm going to put on. And it's quite important. It's made by Madison. I think I got it online for like 15 quid from, I don't even remember which cycle clothing retailer. The thing about this is it's thin, fits under my helmet, and it has this peak. The thing with the winter sun is that it's never right up above you. It's always low to the horizon. So there's always sun coming directly into my eyes. And when it's not sunny, this stops the rain from collecting on my glasses. Helmet fits over the top. And finally, some gloves. I really love these. I think I also got them at Tesco. They're fingerless gloves, so they keep my hands warm, but they also allow me to change gears, use my keys in case I need to open a door or lock my bike up. And they have this rubber grippy stuff, so even when it's really wet out, I still get grip on the bike and my hands don't slide off. They are not waterproof, however, they do dry pretty quickly when I put them on a radiator, so. And there we have it. Ready to ride.